Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can create a portable company file you can take with you on portable media or email to another for use. For example, to email a copy of your company file to your accountant for review, you could send them a portable company file which has a .qbm extension. When they open the file you sent in QuickBooks, it opens the file and creates a QuickBooks company file with the .qbw file extension from the data. However, changes made to a portable company file cannot be imported back into your original company file without overwriting any changes made in the original company file. To use a company file while someone else makes changes to a copy you can later import, use the Accountant's Review feature instead. To make a portable company file, select File, Create Copy from the menu bar. In the window that appears, select the Portable Company File option button, and then click the Next button to continue. In the Save Portable Company File dialog box, choose where to save the portable copy of the company file and what to name it. Then click the Save button. Click OK at the message box that tells you QuickBooks must close and reopen the company file first. QuickBooks will then create the portable copy for you. When it's finished, click OK in the message box that appears. To later open a portable company file and create a new QuickBooks company file that you can use from the data, open QuickBooks and select File, Open or Restore Company from the menu bar. In the Open or Restore Company window that appears, select the Restore a Portable File option and then click the Next button to continue. In the Open Portable Company File dialog box that appears, select the portable company file to open, and then click the Open button to return to the Open or Restore Company dialog box. Read the information shown and then click the Next button to continue. In the Save Company File As dialog box that appears, enter the name and location to which you want to save the company file that will be created from the portable copy. When that has been accomplished, click the Save button to open the portable copy and create a new company file from its data, which you can then use. You can easily create and send a portable company file to another person or location by selecting File, Send Company File, Portable Company File from the menu bar to open the Send Portable Company File dialog box. If sending the file for the first time, then click the Browse button to open a Select Shared Folder dialog box you can use to select a shared folder into which to save the copy, and then click the OK button to confirm your choice. The choice will appear within the field shown in the Send Portable Company File dialog box in the future. Alternately, you can simply type a shared folder address into this field if desired. Then click the Send button to create a portable company file in the selected location.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.